hello, and welcome back. My name is Anna. I am your English teacher.
Hi, Anna. Hi, everyone.
This is Lesson 5, Easy English for Beginners.
We speak slowly. We use simple words you can understand.
Before we start, please subscribe to this channel. Click on subscribe.
Yes, please subscribe. It helps the channel, and you get more easy English lessons.
Great. Now, let's start Lesson 5. First, a small review. Mark, where is the TV in your house?
It is in the living room.
Good. How do you go to work?
I go to work by bus.
Nice. Listener, answer 2. How do you go to school or work? Say, I go to by. Very good. Today in Lesson 5, we learn free time, hobbies, days and time words, and can, can't.
Free time, hobbies, and can't. Very useful.
Free time is time when you do not work or study. Time to relax. Listen to some free time words. Watch TV,
Watch TV.
listen to music,
Listen to music.
play games,
Play games.
read a book,
Read a book.
go for a walk,
Go for a walk.
meet friends,
Meet friends.
cook,
Cook.
study English.
Study English.
Listener, say some with us. Watch TV, listen to music, play games, read a book.
Go for a walk. Meet friends. Cook. Study English.
Very good. Now we make full sentences. In my free time, I watch TV.
In my free time, I listen to music.
In my free time, I read books.
In my free time, I meet friends.
Listener, your turn. Say, in my free time, I choose one. Watch TV, play games, read a book, study English. Say it now. Nice. Now we add days and parts of the day. Listen to these words. Morning,
Morning.
afternoon,
Afternoon.
evening,
Evening.
night.
Night.
Good. We say in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, at night.
In the morning. In the afternoon. In the evening. At night.
Now with days. On Monday,
On Monday.
on Tuesday,
On Tuesday.
on Saturday.
On Saturday.
We say on plus day. For example, on Monday, on Friday, on Sunday.
Let's make sentences.
On Saturday morning, I go for a walk.
On Sunday evening, I watch TV.
In the evening, I listen to music.
At night, I read a book.
Listener, make your own sentence. Choose a day and a time. For example, on Friday evening, I play games. Now you try. On Great. Now we learn some important words for routine. Listen. Always,
Always.
usually,
Usually.
sometimes,
Sometimes.
never.
Never.
Meanings. Always equals every time. Usually equals many times. Sometimes equals not many, not few, sometimes. Never equals 0 times.
Example sentences. I always eat breakfast.
I usually drink tea.
I sometimes watch TV in the morning.
I never drink coffee at night. Listener, repeat these sentences. I always eat breakfast.
I usually drink tea.
I sometimes watch TV in the morning.
I never drink coffee at night.
Very good. Now we use them with free time. I always study English on Sunday.
I usually watch TV in the evening.
I sometimes go for a walk in the afternoon.
I never play games at work.
Listener, your turn. Say 2 sentences. One with always, I always. One with sometimes, I sometimes. For example, I always listen to music at night. I sometimes meet friends on Friday. Say your 2 sentences now. Excellent. Now we learn can and can't. We use can for things that are possible for you. We use can't for things you cannot do. Listen. I can swim.
I can swim.
I can't drive.
I can't drive.
I can speak English a little.
I can play the guitar.
I can't cook very well.
I can't sing.
Listener, repeat some of them. I can swim.
I can't drive.
I can speak English a little.
I can't sing.
Good. Now, questions with can. Can you swim?
Yes, I can.
Can you drive?
No, I can't.
Can you cook?
Yes, I can.
Can you speak English?
Yes, I can speak a little English.
Listener, now you answer. Can you swim? Say, yes, I can, or no, I can't. Can you cook? Yes, I can, or no, I can't. Can you play games on a computer?
Yes, I can. No, I can't.
Choose your answer and say it now. Great job. Now, let's mix everything in a simple talk. Mark, tell us about your week.
Okay. On Monday, I usually work all day. In the evening, I am tired. I sometimes watch TV at night. On Tuesday and Wednesday, I go to work by bus. In the afternoon, I drink coffee. I always study English in the evening. On Saturday, I don't work. In the morning, I go for a walk in the park. I meet friends in the afternoon. In the evening, I listen to music and relax.
Nice. What can you do in your free time, Mark?
I can play the guitar. I can cook pasta. I can't dance very well. I can't sing very well.
How often do you study English?
I usually study English 3 times a week. Sometimes I study every day.
Very good. Listener, now think about your week. You can make a small story. Use these ideas. Days, on Monday, on Saturday. Time, in the morning, in the evening. Free time, watch TV, meet friends, play games, read. Always, usually, sometimes, never. Can, can't. For example, on Sunday morning, I usually sleep. In the afternoon, I sometimes meet friends. I can cook. I can't drive. Now you make your story. Say 4 or 5 sentences.
You can pause the podcast and speak.
Very nice.
Let's review, Mark. Free time and hobbies.
Watch TV, listen to music, play games, read a book, go for a walk, meet friends, cook, study English.
Parts of the day.
Morning, afternoon, evening, night. In the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, at night.
Days with activities.
On Monday, on Friday, on Saturday.
Frequency words.
Always, usually, sometimes, never.
Can, can't.
I can swim. I can't drive. Can you cook? Yes, I can. No, I can't.
Listener, you did great work in Lesson 5. You learned to talk about free time. You learned to talk about what you can do.
You can listen again. You can repeat with us.
And please subscribe to this channel. Then you can get the next lesson.
Yes, subscribe and like the video.
Thank you for learning with us today.
You did a very good job.
See you in the next lesson.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye.